Electromagnetic forces shaping marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystems, one of the most complex and diverse ecosystems to Earth, are shaped by a variety of factors. Among these, electromagnetic forces play a significant role that is often overlooked. Electromagnetic force refers to the interaction between electric and magnetic fields. In the context of marine ecosystem, these forces can be manifested in various forms such as light penetration, sound waves, and even the Earth's magnetic field. Light penetration, a form of electromagnetic radiation, is crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which primary producers like phytoplankton generate energy. The spectrum and intensity of light affect the distribution and growth of these organisms, which in turn influence the entire food chain, supporting larger population of fish and other marine animals. Sound waves, another form of electromagnetic force, also play a crucial role in shaping marine ecosystem. These waves travel through water and can be used by marine animals for communication, navigation, and hunting. Different species have different hearing ranges and use sound waves differently, creating a complex acoustic landscape that influences their behavior and distribution. Lastly, the Earth's magnetic field and electromagnetic force. Many marine animals, including sea turtles and certain species of fish, use the Earth's magnetic field for orientation during their migration journeys. Disruption in this field can potentially disrupt their navigation abilities, affecting their survival and the health of the ecosystem. Electromagnetic forces significantly shape marine ecosystem in various ways, from influencing the growth of primary producers to guiding the behavior of marine animals. These forces play a crucial role in maintaining the balance and diversity of marine life, as it is crucial that we consider the potential impacts of human activities such as pollution and climate change on this delicate system.